So the next upgrade that I would recommend for your GS is going to be a set of bark busters. These things are pretty much indestructible, and they will keep you from breaking your little plastic levers, and they'll protect your hands as well. Bark Buster does make one kind, I think it's called like a Storm or something, that has this piece right here that's detachable, and it screws into the plastic there. It helps keep the wind and stuff off of you when it's in the colder months. And then also you can buy this little piece on the side, so this aluminum bar isn't showing as much. But definitely grab you a set of these if you're going to own a BMW GS.